So hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to delete face lock. Guys, you want to remove your face lock, so why you can remove this your face lock guys. So let's see how to remove it. So I first of all open your phone setting. Before starting video friends, I want to tell you something. If you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So right now let's start video. First of all open your phone setting and guys scroll it and guys come on password and security setting. Guys, you can see your face lock setting. Click here. Guys, draw your unlock, do your pattern. Guys, you can see face data. So you want to delete your face data, so you can delete from here. So guys, click here. Then guys, face data will delete in your oppo phone. So as now you can see in lock screen guys, you cannot see face lock. You will have to draw your pattern. So I hope friends you have understood how to delete and guys remove face lock in oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel.